A lot of people want to start creating content online, but the question is, how do you create a monetizable YouTube channel? Creating a YouTube channel is not just like creating a Facebook page or creating a Facebook profile or Instagram account. If you must create a monetizable and searchable YouTube channel, there are some process and strategies you must use in order for your page to be optimized. Have you ever wondered why you are watching videos and before you finish watching that one, another one will be suggested, another one will be suggested, another one will be suggested on the same channel? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a monetizable YouTube channel that is searchable and that is created to answer a specific question to solve a particular problem for your audience. Now, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, owned by Google. Everybody is now creating content on YouTube. So how can you join this bandwagon? Right in this video, I have 6-step strategies on how you can create a monetizable YouTube channel. Before we get started, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please click on that subscribe button and hit on that like button. So let's dive right in. How can you create a monetizable YouTube channel? We're going to follow these 5-step strategies to help you create a well optimized YouTube channel that will be searchable, that will be easy for you to be monetized with no time. So step number 1 is to create our YouTube account. So to do that, all you just need to do is to come to this sign in button and click on sign in. Okay, it's going to require that we sign in into our account. If you don't have any account already, you have to create one. Let me create this account from beginning. So I'm going to create this account for my business. Now it's going to ask me for my first name and my last name. So I'm going to say Kenneth Uche. Next it's going to ask me for my date of birth and my year of birth. Okay, going to ask me for my gender. City online hub at gmail.com. All right. Okay, so it's asking for my password right now. Okay, it's asking for my phone number. I will need to verify your phone number right here. So I'm going to click next. So I'm going to say verify 0711. I'm going to verify my code. So you just agree to their terms and conditions by clicking I agree. Right now we just finished step 1, and that then brings us to step number 2, which is to create our YouTube account. To create our YouTube account, all we just need to do is to come to this profile picture here. What we are going to do right now is to click on the create account. So what is the name for our account? We need to create a name for this our YouTube channel. I have to come to an AI software that will help us to generate a YouTube name for this our channel. I will use ChatGPT to help me generate a name for my YouTube channel. So I will just come here and say, give me 20 name for my YouTube channel. 20 name for my YouTube channel. Now the need for this channel is content creation mastery. So I'm going to just enter it. Now we have 20 name ideas. It says content crafter, content mastery hub, creative mastery hub, content creators academy. I think this one is better. Creators academy, content creation pro. Let me take one of these. So I'll go back to my YouTube and I'm going to put this one, creators academy. This is our handle. On this handle, I'm just gonna put the creators academy hub. Now it's selected, it's not existing. So now all we have to do right now is to create our channel. Boom. So now we have our channel ready, but you can see now our channel is still very empty. Nothing is there and it has not been customized. This now brings us to step number 3, to customize our channel. How do we customize our channel? We need to come to customize channel to customize this channel. Welcome to YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio has personalized insights, the latest news and insiders tips analytics, and more. So we just have to click on continue. The first thing we are going to do right now is to upload a profile picture. To do that, we need to come back to branding to upload our profile picture. It says your profile picture will appear where your channel is presented on YouTube, like the next to your video and comment. Okay, it is recommended to use a picture that is at least 98 by 98 pixel and 4 MB or less. Use a PNG or GIF, no animation file. Make sure your picture follows the YouTube community guidelines. All right, let me use this as our profile picture. I'm just going to open this. So I'm going to size this. So we are going to use this right now and just click done. Now our profile photo is ready. The next one is this banner is what you see. So guys, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please click on that subscribe button and make sure you like this video. Please make sure you share this video so that more people will see this video, guys. That is the only way you can support me. This is what a channel art means. Okay, this is a channel art which we are going to create for this our YouTube channel. How do we create a channel? I said this image will appear across the top of your channel. It said for the best results on all devices, use an image that is at least 2048 by 1152 pixels and 6 MB or less. I'm going to use canva.com to create this banner art for me. I'm just going to type YouTube banner. If you know how to design, you can use Photoshop. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to use Canva to avoid so much stress. Okay, for the purpose of this tutorial, let me just take any of this. Okay, let me choose this one. I'm going to say customize this template. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change this image by deleting it. Okay, deleting the image. So what I need to do now is to upload, and I'm going to upload an image right here so that I can use it to replace this. So let me just say, let me use this image here. That is done. So I'm just going to change the title here. I'm going to change the title to Creators Academy. Okay, YouTube Masterclass. So you can change the font color. You can change. Okay, let me use this for instance. You can use any color you want. If you want, you can change this background. Otherwise, you can just leave it. Let me just save it like this, okay? All you just have to do is to share it. You just come here, okay? Download. Click on download again. Download. It will now be downloaded to your system. Now we will now go back to YouTube. We'll now upload our image art. You don't need to worry about this because we are going to adjust it later. You can change anything later, okay? This is just for the purpose of this tutorial. Anytime you are ready, you can always change anything. This is how it's going to look on TV. This is how it's going to look on desktop. And this is how it's going to look on mobile device. Click on done. Right now, we have our image banner. Okay. We have to add watermark. Let me show you what a watermark is. So this is what watermark is, and this is going to be shown on all your video. This will help people to subscribe to your channel. Anybody that clicks on it, it will now take the person to where the person can subscribe to this channel. I'm just going to download YouTube subscribe button here, and I'm going to use this now. I'm just going to change it. So how do you want this to display? Say watermark will appear on your videos in the right hand corner of the video player. Say how do you want it to display? Is it at the end of the video, or do you want to customize the time, or let it display on the entire video? So I'm going to click on the display on entire video, and we are going to what? Publish. So let's go back to our channel and refresh this page and see how it's going to look like. This is how our channel is looking like. That now leads us to step number 4, which is unlocking all the features YouTube have for us. How do we do that? So we are coming to our settings right now. We'll now come to our channel and we'll now come to feature eligibility. This feature eligibility will give us access to other tools. Okay, right now this one is enabled. Now this is the feature we are going to get. It say Find new way to engage your audience and build your personal brand with a wider set of features. Video longer than 15 minutes, customized thumbnail, live streaming. Once we verify our phone number, then we are going to get this feature, right? So it's asking us to verify our phone number, okay? So an SMS has been sent to me and I'm going to verify my phone number right here. I'm going to submit. Now our phone number has been verified. All right, say congratulations, your phone number is now verified. So we are going to come back here. All right, now the feature is now enabled. We want more features like appealing content ID claim, create more live stream daily, upload more videos daily. This will help us to be eligible to monetize. But this will happen as we keep posting videos daily or weekly. This will now be enabled. All right. You can also do that now by video verification, valid ID, or the next thing to do now is to come back to advanced settings. It says simplify your workflow by selecting a channel setting. Now it's asking us, do you want to set your channel as made for kids? So we are going to select this channel is not made for kids. But if your channel is made for kids, all you just need to do is to select that, yes, this channel is made for kids. All we have to do right now is to save, okay? And that now leads us to step number 4, which is optimizing our channel for views. What we are going to do now is to optimize this channel, adding more features into this channel so that it will now bring views. As we keep posting videos, we will now get views. We are coming back to our settings, come back to our channels, come back to basics. So what country of residence? Some people like to use different country where they are targeting, but it doesn't matter. You can use any country of your choice. So right now I'm going to use India. Let me just use India, okay? Now, what are the keywords? We are now optimizing this our channel. So we need to enter keyword that is related to our channel, that is related to the topic we want to be treating. Our niche is content creation. We are going back to ChatGPT to give us a keyword for this our channel. So let me come back to ChatGPT and say create an optimizable and SEO keyword for this YouTube channel, okay? So I'm just going to copy this, okay? I'm just going to copy this and come back to my YouTube channel and I'm going to paste it. This is the tag we are going to use for this channel. All you just have to do is to save it. We're going to come to upload default, okay? Then we come to advanced settings. We are going to check the category of this our channel. Now, because we are using this channel to teach on YouTube on content creation, we are going to select on how to and style, all right? Go down a little and then we select the language of this video. What is the video language? Now we are using English. You say, what is the description language? We are still going to choose English. English. We are going to allow all comments. Then we are going to save it. Come back again to settings. We need to add feature section, okay? Customize the layout, your channel homepage with. Right now we are going to add a section to our homepage, okay? Now we are going to use popular videos. That popular videos means that our top video will be coming up just like this one. Most popular videos will be coming up like this, okay? We have now customized the section, okay? We are going to write the description for this our channel. We're going to write, now we have the name, we have our handle. So we are going back to ChatGPT to write a description for this our channel. Please write a short description. I'm just going to copy it and then I'm come back to my YouTube channel and I'm going to paste it. Okay, now it's taken. He said you have to add link to your site you want to share with your viewers. You have to add some links so that when your customers see your banner, he will just click there and subscribe. Something like this. Like this. You just see a subscribe link. Okay. So we are just going to add our social link here. So I can add my Facebook. You can add I'll add my Facebook. Facebook.com/Kenneth Uche 123. Okay, you're just going to add your links, about any number of links you want to add. For now, we are going to use just one link. Then I suggest you add an email address that the customers or your brands can reach out to you where necessary. Okay, and I suggest that you should not use any email address that you have used for your registration, because of hackers. They might hack your account. So just use any email address. Just use any email address, and all you just have to do is to what? Publish it. Okay, let's go back to our channel and see. This is it. Okay, don't worry, you can change anything later, right? There's no problem about that. You can change anything later. Okay, now our channel is ready to do anything you want to do. That leads us to step number 6, to start uploading your videos. Before you go to the step number 6, which is start uploading your videos, I would like you to watch this video here. You see, this video here that is showing right now, I want you to watch it so that you can learn the mistakes I have made, and the mistake that YouTubers are making that makes YouTube not to approve their monetization application. And I don't want you to make such mistakes. So watch this video first before you start uploading videos, so that you don't repeat the mistake. If you want to grow your YouTube channel, wait for my next video and you are going to enjoy it. Guys, this is amazing. Please hit on that subscribe button and like this video. Please share this video and make sure you invite your friends to join us as we go ahead creating more content like this. Okay, don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Kenneth Uche. Follow me on all social platforms, Kenneth Uche. Okay, and I will see you in my next video.